packages! We're gonna open this one first because it's kind of the star of the show, I suppose. Here we have the Slugcat plush from Rain World. Wow, it's really soft, holy cow. Adult Swim games. Interesting, I wasn't aware this was an Adult Swim type of game. Here's the tag. But when I saw these guys get back in stock on Sanshee.com, I just had to get one. I don't know if I'll get the others, but this will do. I think we got something else in here. Oh! Obviously this is the order slip. But we also got a little sticker! How cute! It's a juice box! Collect joy. Then we got another Sanshee card for 10% off. We got one more box. To be honest, I don't remember what's in here. I've ordered several things. This one's super light, so I don't know for sure what this is. So this is a bit of a mystery for both of us. Oh, it is tiny, very small, smaller than I imagined. Holy frick! But ladies and gentlemen, this is Impossible Creatures, and it's a little tiger. It is so small. Look how small it is. Holy cow! This thing is tiny! Should I open it? Or should I keep it in its package? Debatable, but it looks like it can pose, and looks like you have to pin the tail on him. I don't know. Should I open it? Should I keep it in its package? I don't know. But I've seen these guys go for a little bit. And I ended up getting this guy for a little bit cheaper. But by the looks of it, he comes apart. Like you can tear off his limbs, put them back together. And it looks like that kind of thing will get damaged if I opened it, so I think I'll leave it as is. But that's all of them. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, share with your friends, and subscribe for more unboxings, because I got more to come. And I also do vlogs and video game merchandise documentaries. So, until next time, stay tuned for Necessary Nonsense. Yours truly, Gaming Chili Hedgehog. God bless. I'll see you in the next video. Out with the aim.